Flare here with Dragon Fox Demon, just showing some very first test runs of half masks built on an obsidian ink basis for charity events this summer. The first run was this cat mask. It was ran at 20% of the original size and covered in white long fur that was shaved down, fleece for the nose, and then dry brushed paint on top. It has elastic with Velcro closure. Inside, because this was a test print, the inside did not come out as smooth as would be comfortable to wear, so it has a layer of white neoprene inside. The second was the first test run of the canine half mask that was done. It was ran at, I believe, 15% under the original size. Due to the way I had orientated on the print bed, the nose did not print. So instead of throwing this out, I covered it with fleece, built up with a little EVA foam, the nose ridge, and just made it into a cute little skull mask with some fluffy ears. And again, dry brushed some paint on it into some designs for the little skull. It too has this elastic with Velcro closure, and it actually is smooth enough inside to be worn without that neoprene lining. And this is easy enough to take a wet wipe or wet washcloth to after wearing to clean it off. Whereas the neoprene, you have to let it, you can wash it that way, but then it needs to dry and it takes a little bit longer because this is a fabric. These two masks will be at a Cats with Thumbs cosplay event this summer. And all proceeds from these masks and masks made going forward with these bases go to one of the Cats with Thumbs charity, whichever we are promoting. Thank you for watching.